Attention, please.
Okay, as Ashley guides me through the people over to Tomorrowland. Or she'll lead me into nowhere like she did in Florida. Anyways, we had a little, to me, a Disney moment. And we rode, after we hit the stores, we rode Indiana Jones. And there was, I don't know if it was brother and sister or mom and son. They were behind us and they hadn't ridden Indiana Jones in a long time. And again, sorry for the wind. So they hadn't ridden it for a really long time. And we mentioned, hey, if there's not a big line, you can ask for the front and ask to drive. And it'll be kind of like an extra experience for the little one. So they did. We went up and we got the front row. So if they got the second row, we were gonna ask them, hey, do you wanna switch? But anyways, they asked. And then after the ride, we were walking out and we just happened to cross paths again. And they came up and they were like, oh my God, it was so much fun. Thank you for the suggestion. And that's just one thing that I really like about Disney. You know, like doing at Disney. Especially, I feel like a lot of people that have annual passes are kind of like privileged. They feel privileged or they don't appreciate that they can do that and come all the time. And to help out other people that haven't been here in a while or that's their first time, and to give them little tricks and little helpful advice, to me, that's one reason I love coming to Disneyland. And the reason I stopped, I love Stormtroopers, and so does Ashley because she thinks she's Darth Vader. So, but I had to share while we head over to space. I think that's where we're gonna head out, and we're gonna sit and people watch and kind of relax. And I need to relax my shoulder. I have no idea what it is. It's just in a lot of pain. But anyways, that is one way that I want to show my appreciation for being able to come here as often as we do and have annual passes. Is I want to help out the families and the couples and the people that might not know the little tricks and tips. So anyways, we're gonna relax, and I think Ashley's wandering toward a popcorn bucket. But yeah. Okay guys, we've hit a wall. We're in space. We're in line for Space Mountain, and there's a wall. I don't remember this being here, so we wanted to make sure. And this is the Fast Pass side. Standby is over here. We're going left. We've never been left. Has anyone ever gone this way before? I don't know. We're kind of like geeking out right now, so we want to know if anyone's ever done this before. Well, this is different. Oh, hey, I get it. So you come down the other side, which comes down to here. And so this is where we meet up now. So that cut off a big chunk of the ramp, and it was just kind of a trip because we weren't really expecting that, and we hadn't heard that the line did that now. I actually think they might have laid off people, so it just made it easier. Instead of having a few people up there, you can just have one at the bottom of the tunnel. But that was definitely weird. So we're gonna wait in the rest of this line. Right, space. We'll definitely compare back to Florida, even though we like them both for their separate reasons. But we're gonna ride space. Then we're gonna eat over at Pizza Port, and then I'm not sure. We have a fast pass for Buzz, but
he can move.
Right, Ashley's excited because we can ride Buzz and actually take the guns out of the car. So, we're gonna try to ride Buzz. So before I ask a question, as we are strolling through Fantasyland, today is a really light day. Peter Pan is never this short, ever. It ends right there. Normally the whole thing's full. But anyways, it's really not crowded at all today, guys. But anyways, we are headed over to the Mad Hatter to look for some more ears, some more hats, and all that goodness. But we walked past the Red Wagon, and why is it getting all blurry again? We were wondering, because I love corn dogs, we were wondering, what would you guys choose? A hot dog from Coke Corner, a corn dog from the Red Wagon, or a turkey leg? Which one of those three would you choose? And unanimously and overwhelmingly, me and Ashley would always choose the corn dog. And I told her there's one thing I really want this weekend, and that is a corn dog. So, anyways, leave your comments. I really want to know what you guys' choice would be of those three. And if there's any other kind of single item like that that you guys would prefer, let me know. Maybe I can try one, because I know there's a loaded baked potato back at the Fantasy Fair Theater.
I like baked potato.
So, oh, I actually heard baked potato and what? So, leave your guys' comment, because I'm curious to see what you guys think. Like I said, I am all corn dog. These are the new ears for this year, guys. And all the ears have now had an increase in price. They were $24.99 before, now they're up to $27.99.
Hey, don't diss on them.
I'm not dissing on them.
Which ear should I get next?
Oh. Comment below, guys. What ears should Ashley get next? I'm gonna wander. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that I hate this ride. Oh wow, that really looks like we're spinning really fast. Okay, I don't like this ride. Oh, okay, I'm gonna help spin. Why do you hate me? This is your fault. You chose to go on this. We're going the wrong way? Okay, I'm gonna stop it and go back. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, this is, okay, yeah, I'm sorry everybody, just bear with the spin, and yes, we are going that fast. Oh, okay, yeah, really don't like this ride. She always makes me go on it, and thank God we're stopping. Oh, okay. Whew. Bye-bye. And I'm just gonna tell you guys now. Okay, let me regain. Okay, I think I'm going back to the normal high definition and not the 60 frames per second, just to see the difference. Alright, so as I just mentioned, I'm switching the camera back to standard HD or full HD without the 60 frames. It's just a little too shaky, especially with my shoulder the way it is, and I do love the quality. I hope you guys enjoyed the quality of the 60 frames, but I'm going to switch back for I think the rest of this weekend. Maybe going forward, afterwards, might be able to change it and change it up depending on what we're doing. But like I said, for now, rest of this trip, we're going to get rid of the 60 frames per second. So we were going to go back and hit the train, and then we saw the line. Yeah, it'd just be easier to walk back to Main Street. So, uh-oh. But you don't need more ears. Why do we need these ears?
Because these are gold. I don't have these. I have this silver one, I have this one, I have that one.
Well, I know which ones you have, and I know which ones you don't have. So,
I have all of them.
okay, now that she's looked. So, we are headed back to Main Street. We are going to go over to DCA. We have fast passes for Radiator Springs.
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Not till much later.
Just kidding.
But so we were sitting at lunch. Quick story. We were sitting at lunch, and we were trying to figure out what fast passes we want. We're like, well, we don't really want anything after we eat. So, well, what do you want to do? And I was like, well, I'll check by around 5 o'clock. It's when we have dinner over in DCA. So I said, hey, Radiator Springs, 7 o'clock. Well, she kind of hesitates. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to get fast passes for 7. All of a sudden she goes, it was like a light bulb went on. Hey, that's at night. We haven't ridden it at night. Let's ride it. Yeah, I had already booked it. I had already scheduled that fast pass. It was just funny how, that's how well we know each other. I knew she would want to do it at night, so I picked it, and it was just awesome. Well, right. I mean, we are engaged now, so anyways, we're headed back to Main Street. My arm is starting to fall down here, but we're headed back to Main Street, headed over to DCA. So we will see you over there.